Keep your eyes closed, become spine straight. अपनी आंखें बंद करें. अपने अपने आराध्य को याद करें. Recall your duty. Recall your worship place. अपने घर के प्रार्थना स्थल पर जहां आप पूजा करते हैं वहां पर अपना ध्यान देना. Become aware of your date of birth. Now become aware of your name. अपने नाम पर अपना ध्यान देना है. Now become aware of your body. अपने शरीर पर अपना ध्यान देना है. जो भी पीड़ा शारीरिक आपको या आपके किसी परिवार के सदस्य को है उस पर अपना ध्यान देना है. Become aware of your all physical health issue, your and yours. जो भी हो रहा है होने दें. Become aware of your third eye. अपने आज्ञा चक्र पर अपना ध्यान ले आए. The place of your sun. शरीर में सूर्य का स्थान. अपने आज्ञा चक्र पर अपना ध्यान ले आए. And just feel that there is a golden coin on your third eye. Think, imagine, and feel the gold coin on your third eye. Round gold coin. सोचें, कल्पना करें, महसूस करें आज्ञा चक्र पर एक सोने के कॉइन की. नमः। पूरा ध्यान अपने आज्ञा चक्र, सुनहरी रोशनी के साथ आज्ञा चक्र की आंख के साथ अपना ध्यान अपनी आंखों पर लेकर आए। बिकम अवेयर ऑफ योर आई। इफ यू यूज स्पेक्ट, जस्ट रिकॉल द नंबर। अपना ध्यान अपनी आंखों पर लेकर आए। अपने चश्मे का नंबर याद हो तो याद करें। Women think about left eye, may on the right eye first, then left eye. Take a long deep breath and exhale by your both eyes. दोनों आंखों पर श्वास को जाने दें। पुनः एक लंबी गहरी श्वास भरें और अपनी आंखों को देखते हुए आंखों से ही छोड़ दें, बंद आंखों से। Offer the exhaling shower of your breath to your both eyes. अपनी दोनों आंखों को श्वासों का स्नान करवाएं, बाहर जाने वाली। Become aware of your navel area again and take a long deep breath. Hold. Again release by your eyes. बंद आंखों से पूरे आसपास का वातावरण याद करें। Just feel, imagine the surroundings of your room. Now become aware of your third eye again. अपने आज्ञा चक्र पर पुनः ध्यान। वही सुनहरा प्रकाश। There is a torch like feel. सुनहरे प्रकाश का एक टार्च लगाए आपके थर्ड आई पर। Now bring your light toward your heart. With the breath, take a long deep breath and bring your golden light on your heart. Think, imagine, and feel. Your whole heart is taking shower with golden light. सुनहरी रोशनी में आपका पूरा हृदय स्नान कर रहा है। Feel like this. You can put up one hand on your heart. एक हाथ अपना हृदय पर रखें। Remove your hand from your heart. अपने हाथ को हृदय से हटा लें. Again on third eye, golden light on your third eye. Think, imagine and feel. Now become aware of your father. अपने पिता का चेहरा अपनी आंखों में लेकर आए. अगर उनका श्वास ठीक नहीं है, पूरा ध्यान उनका जहां श्वास, जो भी विकार है उस पर अपना ध्यान ले जाएं. अगर आपके पिता इस धरती पर नहीं है तो उनका चेहरा याद करें, उनके साथ बिताए पल याद करें. Be with the moment which you spent with your father, are spending with your father. If your father is ill, become aware of that element. If your father is present on this planet, now you have two sons, one in the sky, second in your family. All the herbal plants on this planet, they are due to sun. They are representing the sun because they are curing some. औषधि के रूप में उपयोग में आने वाले पौधे सूर्य ही है. Just pray, heal and bless to all the plants, all the divine. If you are government servant, अगर आप एक सरकारी कर्मचारी हैं, अपना ध्यान अपनी चेयर पर लेकर जाए. Become aware of your seat, where you sit. If you are not government employee, just become aware of any government school where the combination of Sun and Jupiter both. Feel the heat in your body. शरीर की सभी गर्मी तपन सूर्य से है। दिनकराय नमः। Be in the gratitude of this son, your father, who is providing all the facility for outer world or inner world. Become aware of your third eye. Again, whatever you want from coming life, जो भी आप आने वाले जीवन से चाहते हैं उसको याद करें. In the presence of golden light, the presence of your father element, just what you want from coming life. You want to marry your daughter? You want to marry your son? You want to heal your father? You want employment? Whatever you want for you, for your family members. Just bless all as a father. All the participants, those are a part of group. Whatever the desires, जो भी अपनी इच्छाएं सोच रहे हैं, let's pray, heal and bless. Now feel the energy of your surroundings body. आज उंगली थाम के तेरी तुझे मैं चलना सिखलाऊं. आज उंगली थाम के तेरी तुझे मैं चलना सिखलाऊं. कल हाथ पकड़ना मेरा जब मैं बूढ़ा हो जाऊं. तेरे संग संग झूल रहा मेरी आंगन में जग सारा. मेरा नाम करेगा रोशन जग में मेरा रातुला. Again think of your father. जो भी हो रहा है होने दे. Become aware of your father. become aware of sun. सूर्य, भारतवासी सूर्य की छवि को याद करें। अमेरिकन वहां तो सुबह होगी। Just imagine the sun. सूर्य साक्षी, इस पल सूर्य साक्षी है, witness for your meditation. Be in the Namaskar Mudra. Keep the both hands joined and keep the both thumb on your third eye. अपने आज्ञा चक्र पर दोनों अंगूठे रख दें मिलाकर नमस्कार मुद्रा में, और सर के ऊपर आपके हाथ जा रहे हैं, अंगूठे दोनों ओम भास्कराय विद्महे दिवाकराय धीमहि तन्नो सूर्य प्रचोदयात्। Your Namaskar Mudra. Keep both hands on your knees up. नमस्कार मुद्रा को हटा लें। Become aware of your body. Become aware of your name. All the name. Your child say your Papa, Daddy. What is your name? Think all the names. जो भी आपके नाम से आपको पुकारा जाता है, वो सभी नामों को याद करें। Feel your prayer place. अपने घर के प्रार्थना स्थल पर अपना ध्यान ले जाएं। सूर्य भगवान की उपस्थिति मान। Feel the presence of sun. Becoming aware of your deity, जो भी आपके आराध्य हैं, साईं बाबा, anyone, महाकाल, शिव, कृष्ण. Become aware of your deity. And become aware of your surroundings and body. Covering with your smile, sweet smile on your face. You can open your eye slowly. अपनी आंखें आहिस्ता आहिस्ता एक ध्यान मुस्कान के साथ, प्रार्थनात्मक मुस्कान के साथ आहिस्ता आहिस्ता अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं। You can open your eyes. Just wait for water. Don't drink water immediately. We are in the hot mode. गर्म स्थिति में हम अपने मुख से जिस प्रकार चाय को ठंडा किया जाता है, how you cold the tea, just blow some air And along with the open eyes, fill your water glass. अपना पानी का ग्लास भरें. Cover by your right hand and drink water. So, with the first was you say, are you able to do? Yes. How much connected with the Father? How many connect with the Father element? Wow, Basu.
I did.
Very good, very good. Mita. Wow. Yes, I can. I imagine the Paul because he just lost his father before something. I remember it. His name also came in my mind. So, it my humble request that we are going on the astrologers, but first you try to heal the sun element by your own power. In the little problem, we normally go into the first you focus on yourself. Acha, it might how many feel? Maybe possible you are unable. I don't want any answer. The golden coin, I feel the presence of the golden light. Especially. How many feel? Mita, wow, wow, Hiraman. It is only first time. If you continue it the time to time, you are going to feel whatever you want. वही कि आप क्या चाहते हो जिस प्रकार बच्चा आपका मांगता है मेरे को चॉकलेट चाहिए आप दे देते ना तत्काल तो हम भी उस सूर्य देव के उस पिता के पुत्र हैं जो मांगेंगे हमको मिलेगा जो देखना चाहते हैं मिलेगा बस हम कितना विश्वास हाउ मच वी कीप द फेथ ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर पावर दैट इज द मेन थिंग मुझे मेरी मां से अगर कुछ लेना मैं जिद करके मां से ले लूंगा वो जिद एक डिवोशन वाली एक समर्पण वाली वो जिद पैदा होना मुझे मिलना है मुझे पाना है गुड so we have started the 7th series and as per me we are got a present today also and tomorrow we will do our mother element and mother element is moon so anybody who is wake up early in the morning you don't bother the position of your planet sun in the your astro chart either you can offer the water if you wake up before 7 o'clock if you not wake up before 7 o'clock and if you are missing your father just see the sun close eyes imagine your father face your voice will reach you there आपकी प्रार्थना आपका विचार आपने याद किया तत्काल पहुंचेगा जहां आप घर से बाहर निकले ठीक है आप उसका प्रोफेशनल लाइफ ऐसी होगी you cannot wake up early and offer the water if you are offering the water after 7:30 no use then you just after watching the sun just put away head think your father start your day and just see tomorrow moon meditation will do all the 7 planet like a 7-day Sunday Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday all the 7-day how planetary wise they are connected with you your body and your relation and along with the awareness we heal that planet also because tomorrow moon also occupy one planet is Cancer he is totally occupied mother and father right the mother element tomorrow moon is 70% water in the body along with the emotion when you join it tomorrow when you do the meditation you can feel your mother presence you can have to hold your tears but whatever you are keeping inside just blow surrender in the divine energy and I'm sure everybody pray for everyone so till tomorrow Again, blessings. Take care of yourself. Tomorrow again 8:30, we are going to meet for moon healing meditation. Anybody want to say something, they can write in my YouTube channel, मुझे WhatsApp, they can write whatever they want to know. कि गुरुजी हमें ऐसा क्यों हुआ. मेरा नंबर आप सब लोगों के पास है. जिनके पास भी नहीं है उनको बोल देता हूँ 9826070286. 9826070286 my number. You can just WhatsApp me. Guruji, I am unable to understand. I will guide you. But if you want guidance, that's it. Thank you very much. Blessing all of you. Take care of yourself. Take care of your smile.